I've never had a nocturnal emission. I just wanted to share that while
You've never had a wet dream?
I always wake up before I have the orgasm. I have sex in my dreams, and I always wake up right before.
And it kills it.
Every time.
That's not good for your prostate.
People masturbate while they sleep.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
Would you stop?
I
You
do.
say the dumbest things.
It happens.
Do you,
It does happen.
Do I masturbate?
do you get digital on yourself when you're in the middle of your sleep?
It happens.
I don't think so.
Where do you hear about this? Do you go to the
Where?
special odds and ends nursing facts school? So you're saying in the middle of the night...
I think she's trying to tell us that she does it.
Yeah, oh, this is the way. That's right. This is the way you make everything feel better.
Other people do it.
Oh, you're right, Flo. Everybody does do that in their sleep.
Dick, you are acting like a dick.
No, you're right. I clench my Wiener Schnitzel with some lube and turn on a video and crank it and do it in a Kleenex every night in my sleep. That's why the cat's always so sticky in the morning.
No.
For real, you say the freakiest ass things.